All right, the objective of this video is I can find the volume of a cone. All right, so showing all of your work, substituting numbers in, and finding the volume is your level A. So we just watched the video for cylinder. All right, so I want to look at a video that's going to show us how many cones would it take to fill up a cylinder. So think to yourself right now, what do you think? How many cones do you think it would take to fill up a cylinder? And we're going to quickly watch this video, maybe. If it works for me, right? So this video is going to show us how many cones, so what the video is today is going to take to fill up a cylinder. So this person has a cone. That's one time. It's 2 times. And that should fill it up at 3 times. So that should give us a pretty good idea of what the formula for a cone is. It is exactly the same as a cylinder, just divided by 3. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Or another way to write it is volume equals pi r squared h divided by 3. Okay, those mean the same thing. All right, this one might be the easier one to understand, but 1/3 pi r squared h is the same as dividing by 3. All right, so first one together. I'm first going to write down the formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Then we substitute in volume equals 1/3 pi. R is the radius, so that's 5. That's half of the circle squared. And then h is like how tall the thing is, the cone is, and that's 12 times 12. All right, so next, volume equals 1/3 pi times 25 times 12. So next I would multiply 25 and 12. So volume equals 1/3 pi. 25 times 12 is 300. Then to get my answer in terms of pi, I'm going to take 300 divided by 3. All right, or you could type in 1/3 times 300. You'll get the same thing. So in terms of pi, I'm going to write in the corner is volume equals, well, 300 divided by 3 is 100, equals 100 pi, or volume equals, and again, this is volume, so it's yards cubed. And then I'm going to multiply 100 times pi and get volume equals 314.159. 9 means 5 or more raised to score, so the 5 becomes a 6. 0.16 yards cubed. So both of these answers are what I need to have. All right. All right. So we're going to try one more. Again, we're going to write down the formula. I'm going to write it up higher this time. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. All right. So volume equals 1/3 pi times r, which is going to be half of 6, which is 3, squared times 8. 8 is the height. 8 is this height. Volume equals 1/3 pi times 9 times 8. Volume equals 1/3 pi, and then 9 times 8 is 72. Divide 72 by 3. And I get volume equals 24 pi feet cubed. And then my last thing, I just multiply 24 times pi. So I get 75.398 . Why I want to put a dot. All right. This is a 9. So the 8 makes the 9, so 5 or more raise a score. So the 9's going to raise to a 10, which is then going to raise the 3 to a 4. So this becomes instead 75.4 feet cubed. Right, and these two are my answers. All right, so you are ready to work on your own? Remember, volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. When you are done, check your answers. Again, you need to get less than 2 wrong in order to move on.